Is it love or is it possession? They say it's because they care, but when jealousy becomes control, it destroys both people. This is where toxic relationships quietly cross the line. Scene: the jealous trap. Location: apartment, evening. Characters: Laura, victim; Mark, manipulator. Laura is getting ready to go out to dinner with her friends. She is putting on makeup in front of the mirror. Mark enters the room, smiling reservedly.
Going out again?
Yeah, it's been a while. The girls invited me.
I just don't understand why you always need them. Am I not enough for you?
It's just a dinner, Mark.
Sure, a dinner. You dress up like that for them? You never wear that dress for me anymore.
I didn't think about it that way. I just wanted to look nice.
Right. You always want to look nice, but never for me. But go ahead. I guess I just care too much.
Jealousy isn't about love. It's about control dressed as concern. He attacks her self-esteem. He rewrites her intentions. He creates guilt where there should be freedom. Slowly, she starts believing she's the problem. If you feel guilty for having your own life, if you apologize for making friends happy, if you second-guess your clothes because of their reactions, you're being controlled. This is not love. This is emotional captivity.
What I feel? Guilt, shame, anxiety before leaving, fear of accusations, emotional self-censorship.
What am I doing? Uses jealousy as a weapon. Reframes freedom as betrayal. Creates guilt loops. Slowly isolates the victim.
Why it works? Because they don't need to lock you in a room. They train you to lock yourself. Drop a comment. Have you ever cancelled plans because of guilt? It's not your fault. You are allowed to live. Subscribe for more breakdowns. This is only the beginning. Mind Decoded, Psychology Explained Simply.